Hello, Hugh from Politically Challenged here on a train. For some of us, we've been going to the anti-Brexit protests, the revoke Article 50 protests, and the People's Vote protests. That's what some young people have been doing, while the rest of us have either been going to work or spending our time, meeting up with friends, family members, or business partners so that they can, go and record their podcasts. So for people who aren't going to the protests, I understand how awkward it is that there are all these bus diversions and train lines and. Hmm?
You do know Brexit ain't gonna happen.
Why isn't it not gonna happen?
There's too many left wing and right wing, and Parliament are so against it. Ain't gonna happen. It's gonna be a no deal, or we're just gonna be stuck in EU, and that's it.
Mm-hmm.
But have a good day anyway.
You too. There you have it.